Attribution. Volvo is a Swedish multinational manufacturing company headquartered in Gothenburg, Sweden. Its principal activity is the production, distribution and sale of trucks, buses, and construction equipment. Volvo also supplies marine and industrial drive systems, and provides financial services. Although Volvo was established in 1915 as a subsidiary of AB SKF, a Swedish ball bearing manufacturer, the auto manufacturer considers itself officially founded on April 14, 1927, when the first car, the Volvo AV4 series, affectionately known as Jacob, rolled out of the factory in his engine, Gothenburg. Volvo means I roll in Latin, conjugated from volvere, in relation to ball bearing. The name Volvo was originally registered in May 1911 as a separate company within SKF AB and as a registered trademark with the intention to be used for a special series of ball bearing. This idea was only used for a short period of time and SKF decided to use SKF as the trademark for all its bearing products. In 1924, Asa Gabrielsson, an SKF sales manager, and engineer Gustav Larsson, the two founders, decided to start construction of a Swedish car. Their vision was to build cars that could withstand the rigors of Sweden's rough roads and cold temperatures. The company AB Volvo had no activities until August 10, 1926. After 1 year of preparations involving the production of 10 prototypes, was set up to carry out the car manufacturing business within the SKF Group. AB Volvo was introduced at the Stockholm Stock Exchange in 1935 and SKF then decided to sell its shares in the company. Volvo was delisted from Nasdaq in June 2007, but remains listed on the Stockholm Exchange. In 1999, Volvo sold its car division Volvo Cars to Ford Motor Company for $6.45 billion. The Volvo trademark was shared between AB Volvo, where it is used on heavy vehicles, and the unit of Ford, where it was used on cars. Volvo stopped posting profits in 2005, and in 2008, Ford decided to sell its interest in Volvo Cars. In August 2010, Ford completed its sale of Volvo Cars to the Chinese motor manufacturer Geely Automobile for $1.8 billion. History. The Volvo Group has its origin in 1927 when the first Volvo car rolled off the production line at the factory in Gothenburg. Only 280 cars were built that year. The first truck, the Series 1, debuted in January 1928, as an immediate success and attracted attention outside the country. In 1930, Volvo sold 639 cars, and the export of trucks to Europe started soon after. The cars did not become well-known outside Sweden until after World War II. Pentaviken, who had manufactured engines for Volvo, was acquired in 1935, providing a secure supply of engines and entry into the marine engine market. The first bus, named B1, was launched in 1934, and aircraft engines were added to the growing range of products at the beginning of the 1940s. In 1963, Volvo opened the Volvo Halifax assembly plant, the first assembly plant in the company's history outside of Sweden in Halifax, Canada. In 1999, the European Union blocked a merger with Scania AB. Volvo Group sold its car division Volvo Car Corporation to Ford Motor Company for $6.45 billion during 2000. It was placed within the Premier Automotive Group alongside Jaguar, Land Rover and Aston Martin. Volvo engineering resources and components would be used in various Ford, Land Rover and Aston Martin products, with the second-generation Land Rover Freelander designed on the same platform as the second-generation Volvo S80. The Volvo T5 petrol engine was used in the Ford Focus Street and RS Performance models, and Volvo's satellite navigation system was used on certain Aston Martin Vanquish, DB9 and V8 Vantage models. Ford sold the Volvo Car Corporation in 2010 to Geely Automobile of China for $1.8 billion, following on from their sale of Jaguar Land Rover in 2008 and Aston Martin in 2007. Renault VAR copyright Hickules Industrials was sold to Volvo during January 2001, Volvo renamed it Renault Trucks in 2002. Renault became AB Volvo's biggest shareholder with a 19.9% stake as part of the deal. Renault increased its shareholding to 21.7% by 2010. AB Volvo acquired 13% of the shares in the Japanese truck manufacturer UD Trucks from Nissan Motor Company Limited during 2006, becoming a major shareholder. Volvo Group took complete ownership of Nissan Diesel in 2007 to extend its presence in the Asian Pacific market. Renault sold 14.9% of their stake in AB Volvo in October 2010 for a 3.02 Bn. This share sale left Renault with around 17.5% of Volvo's voting rights. Renault sold their remaining shares in December 2012 for a 1.6 Bn, leaving Swedish industrial investment group Aktiebolaget Industrivakarency ADEN as the largest shareholder, with 6.2% of the share capital and 18.7% of the voting rights. Business. Volvo Group's operations include Volvo Trucks, Mack Trucks, Renault Trucks, UD Trucks, VE Commercial Vehicles Limited, a 50-50 joint venture between the Volvo Group and Atra Motors Limited, Volvo Construction Equipment, SDLG, Volvo Buses, Volvo Penta, Volvo Financial Services, Volvo Information Technology, Trademark. Volvo Trademark Holding AB is equally owned by AB Volvo and Volvo Car Corporation. The main activity of the company is to own, maintain, protect and preserve the Volvo trademarks Volvo Aero and Volvo Penta, on behalf of its owners and to license these rights to its owners. The day-to-day work is focused upon maintaining the global portfolio of trademark registrations and to extend sufficiently the scope of the registered protection for the Volvo trademarks. The main business is also to act against unauthorized registration and use of trademarks identical or similar to the Volvo trademarks on a global basis. Brands: Volvo Trucks, Volvo Buses, Volvo Construction Equipment, Volvo Financial Services, Renault Trucks, UD Trucks, Prevost, Mack Trucks, Atra, Volvo Penta, Nova Bus, SDLG, Volvo Rents. See also, Port of Gothenburg. References. External links: Volvo Group, a Euro official site, Volvo, a Euro official site.